Alrighty guys, welcome back to another one. Sorry about the we haven't posted in 2 months, but yeah, we've been having some GoPro malfunctions. We still are kind of having some GoPro malfunctions. We also haven't been able to catch a lot of fish, but I mean, we've been catching fish. It's just not enough for a video. But we're here alongside at Shelter Island, hoping for bay bass and halibut. But let's jump into it. Booty 17 was the move. Shane, you got here. I don't see the flag. Adam's got one off camera, but he put his GoPro on. I actually had one on, and I was trying to get the GoPro to turn on because this GoPro is having issues where I can't hit the record button. I have to like hit the side button to open up the menu and then record. It's the strangest thing, but yeah, that didn't do me too well. But I lost the hookup bait as well, so that's actually what we're using today. We do have neck breakers on us, but the hookup baits are kind of what we're rolling with. So far, we've got 2 fish on them. I mean, 1, but we hooked 2. But we're really just trying to fish this area by the naval base really hard. Basically, what we're doing is just kind of letting it hit the bottom, and we're just kind of letting the channel itself just do all the work by just drifting us, and then we can just do a little bit of some twitches, a little bit of some motions. But that's what we're doing.
There's a nice one on the hookup bait. I think I'll probably go legal. Yeah. There's a legal bass right there. Or maybe not. He's a little bit short. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a good fish. Oh, another legal bass. Or maybe not. He just hooked weird. Ooh. Unfortunate. About 12. Nice bass. Is it a halibut? What is this? I have a fish. I don't know what it is though. I thought it was just grass. It's what is this? It's a, what is this? A lizard fish? What is this, dude? Holy sh! What is this? Holy crap. What is this, dude?
Hold on. Wait a minute.
This is sick, but I don't know what it is.
Dude, I feel like we should know this.
Dude,
That is
I gotta
so
get
unique.
Get.
That is so unique.
What is this, man?
Dude, that's actually kind of crazy. We don't know what that is. Like I feel
I've
like
never caught this before, but I don't want it to cut my line. It's got like, look at those chompers, dude.
Damn.
It's like halibut teeth.
Well, that's pretty. Okay, so the GoPro's died, but thanks guys for watching the video. Fortunately, my GoPro had issues, but Adam's GoPro didn't have any issues. It's just really annoying. It's a grind. I mean, with the camera and with the cameras and obviously the fishing, but definitely able to get some quality fish in there, especially that unique fish. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys on the next one.